phone.
Happy St. Patrick's Day! Even though by the time you see this, it won't be St. Patrick's Day. Y'all, I had no idea that this many people celebrated Leprechaun Day.
Well, they're having a parade up here.
Something, and it's raining, so I don't think they had a parade, but there is like people covered in green as far as the eye can see, and me and Mama ain't got a bit of green.
My shirt's got some green on it, I believe, on the back.
That's my shirt.
Well, it's mine now.
Let me tell you what happened, y'all. So my Southern Sass shirt is still available if you're interested. If you haven't seen it, I will try to show you the shirt on Mama. This was actually supposed to be my shirt. I don't know why in the world I ordered an extra large.
Because it knew I needed it.
Yeah, so I can't even wear, okay, so that's the long sleeve, the unisex tees. So in those, I order a large because I like to wear them with leggings. So the large will cover up my butt.
These will too.
Yeah, that'll cover up my knees too. I can wear a small in a unisex top, but I'll get a medium to give me some room, and I'll get a large to give me some length. I don't know why in the world I got an extra. It literally looked like a dress on me when I put it on this morning.
They knew I needed some long sleeves today because I was cold.
She was cold. So now that's her shirt. I'm going to order me a new one. That's not an extra large. Our first stop today was macaroons. I think the proper pronunciation is rons.
But hers says something like
oh my gosh, what?
A cupcake.
That's the name of the place.
What is the name of the place?
If you're in the Myrtle Beach area, I come to Market Commons to get cupcakes. Not cupcakes. Macarons. At Lay Cupcake, I believe is what it's called. Mm-hmm. They're good. This is the second
Cupcake Cafe.
Yeah, this is the second time I've got them. The first ones were just chocolate. They were chocolate, and oh my gosh, they were so good. These are sea salt chocolate, and you think she would have made one green for today. But she made coconut chocolate.
Ganache.
Coconut and chocolate ganache. They're blue. We'll show them to you when we get stopped. If you know me, I recently, within like the past year, fell in love with macarons. Macarons sound so fancy.
We're going to learn how to make them.
I want them for my birthday. That's like my new favorite dessert of life is a macaron. I'm not like crazy about like, well, I can eat desserts, but if I had to, I like macarons. Those are my favorite now. So ideally, I would like to have a cake with macarons on it. I've seen them on Pinterest, and I want one. So Mama is here for the weekend. She got here yesterday. She never does this. She never comes to see her one and only daughter. Oh. The one child, the one person that made her a mother. I was the one that made you a mother.
Not James, though.
It was me. He came after.
He still.
So. You were already a mother by the time he came.
Starting route to Coastal Grand Mall.
I made you a mother.
Thank you. The Lord made me a mother.
Turn right onto Highway 17
the
bypass
Lord
south.
gave you me to make you a mother.
He gave me both of you to make me.
But I was here first.
Turn right onto Highway 17 bypass south.
You ain't never see these women talking about you were the one that made me a mother. When it's their firstborn's birthday, Mama ain't gonna say that. She'd be like, oh, James was the one.
No, I did not.
James is it. James is all hell.
Lies you tell.
All hell, King James.
I told her tell. You dunce. Don't you listen to her.
Y'all better.
You know better.
I got home videos to prove
how she was tortured in them days.
No, I got home videos to prove.
Both of them was tortured.
If she had to give one of us up,
I wouldn't have given neither one of you up, you dummy.
You know, what is it? Was this in the Bible or did somebody make it up? Where they had to...
Where the woman had to divide her baby.
Yes, that's in the Bible.
And there was one woman that said, yeah, go ahead. And the real mama said no.
In 1.3 miles,
Mama would have told them
right
to cut
onto
me
Harrison
up.
Boulevard toward George Bishop Parkway.
I just said, give me the knife so I can cut her tongue out the line.
Little Lar. Look at the little Lar. But I keep James. Yeah, I keep him. Let me cut the other one up.
Jesus. We needed to be looking for Ruby Tuesdays.
Mama is wanting some salad from Ruby Tuesdays. We got to see if it's a roundup.
That's the only thing I want. I've been wanting those croutons.
Hey now, this is what dreams are made of. You remember that song? We are leaving Ulta. I got some goodies. I'll show you what I got when I get in the truck. I got my favorite spot treatment, which is the Mario Badescu drying lotion. Gotta make sure I don't run out of that. So I got some of that. I went in there.
Somebody set me off.
Set it off in I went in there to find a pumice stone or something to scrub the bottom of my feet because my feet are so dry right now. But I found the Ambiance foot scrubbers. I've seen these everywhere, and I looked up while I was in there to make sure that was like the best price for it, and I compared it to Amazon. It was only a few cents, so I went ahead and got it, and of course I got the pink one. Hopefully that'll do good. And then I'm going to do, after that, I was looking for these like foot masks. I also wanted some hand masks. You didn't see none with that? These are by the Tony Moly. I use a Tony Moly face mask, the sheet masks. And the lady, when I checked out, she said these were amazing. It says changing magic foot peeling shoes. So I'm going to scrub them first and then do this after. She said it takes a couple days to actually see it peel off. So I guess it like the dead skin just like peels off your feet. That should be interesting. We're in Sam's Club. Look at that girl. Hey girl. Hey girl. Getting some necessities. We get our paper towels, toilet paper. I get water. I get, what else do I get?
Toilet tissue, paper towel.
We're looking at some fabric softener stuff in here too. So Mama is trying to talk me into getting these. But if you watch me wash clothes, if you watch me wash clothes on any of my cleaning videos, you know I use the Snuggle pods. I know they smell good. That's not my problem. I just don't want to pay an arm and a leg.
How many times can you use it?
This is 4 times the price of.
Okay. How many
uses? Servings.
Yeah.
You gonna eat it? There's 30 in. Don't tell you? You just didn't feel like reading it.
I didn't see it.
12 weeks of freshness is all it says. I finally found me a melamine bowl set, and it's got flowers on it. They actually had what was the ones? The solid color. They had solid color ones too, but of course, we all know I had to have the flowers. Comes with 5 bowls and 5 lids, and they're really cute. I wanted melamine, so if I dropped it, I wouldn't break it, and I didn't want plastic. So I didn't want glass, I didn't want plastic, so melamine, it was the way to go. I've showed this meal kit before, but me and Cody have these sets. They're in gray and green, and this is what they look like on the inside. They have these individual little containers that go inside each compartment. Mama has found something else. For parties.
$29.99. That's a deal there.
What would you put in there, Mama? Give us a...
Okay. You got your stew beef in one. You could do these when you're doing like a
Just give us a dinner.
Okay, we do stew beef and rice.
Wait, and the same thing?
Beef. No, you just do stew beef, but your rice is somewhere else. Let's see what else we could put in there.
Come on, gal, come on.
You could do your vegetable in there.
Such as?
String beans and potatoes. Fresh string beans and potatoes. Then you're gonna do a dessert in that one.
What kind of dessert in a crock pot?
You haven't seen where you do the what's the cake where the hot molten lava cake in there?
Oh, I ain't doing that.
3 in 1.
Here's what I was thinking.
That's nice.
Chicken fajitas. Something else Mexican. Steak. You could do like a taco bar and put your meats in there.
Or this could be like a dipping station for candies. White chocolate, or
it could be
fondue.
Little weenies, meatballs, and dip.
Yeah. That's
for a Super Bowl. And then they also have
many did it hold?
I don't know. They also have the pressure cookers in here.
2 and a half, 2 and a half, 2 and a half.
And they got the air foil and a deep foil.
And then that's the air foil.
And then they got that little.
Oh, that's nice. That Cuisinart's a good brand name.
Fancy oven. So we're back home and we're making jambalaya. I say we, but I'm saying me. I'm making jambalaya. Mama's gonna let me cook in my own kitchen. Cut up some sausage. We're just gonna be using the Zatarain's jambalaya because you can't get any better than this. I thought I had some shrimp to add into the sausage, but I don't. So it's just gonna be sausage. And I'm gonna cut up some extra peppers.
Alright, that'll be good. Well, you need to go and let them cook along with your sausage, don't you?
They don't take as long though, so I can cut them up while I throw these in there. So I got some okra, a sauteing. It's gonna get nice and brown. And then I got my jambalaya. I'm waiting for it to come to a boil, so then I can just put the lid on it and just let it slowly simmer in all its glory. This is gonna be so good. I asked Cody what he wanted. This is what he said he wanted. So tonight we are also going to give Mama some highlights.
Okay, it's getting ready to start boiling.
Watch, she wasn't sitting down, but now she's, look. She can't just let me live my life.
Oh, she can't.
She said, you need to quit stirring that okra.
Makes it slimy.
I know that. We're gonna give Mama some, where's she at? We're gonna give Mama some highlights, pretty much to make it easier for when her gray grows out. It's an easier transition. We're gonna try to make it where it transitions easily. So I'm just gonna go in and do like a really, really light weave in her hair and weave in some lighter pieces, hoping to get a level 8. She's naturally dark, like a 1 or 2. Hoping to get a level 8. We'll see how that goes. Okay, here we go. These are the sea salt chocolate ones. These are so pretty. Aren't they pretty? Mm-hmm. These are the coconut and chocolate ganache ones. Guess who's home? Stop it. Macaroon. I can't see the macaroon. Back up some. You're too close. Cody's gonna let us know how this coconut chocolate ganache one is. Don't hurt it. You're always hurting macaroons.
Oh, they seem soft.
Whoa.
Well, did you want it again?
It's alright.
Was it better and was the chocolate one better?
I had chocolate.
Yes, you did.
When?
I brought you home that one.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna eat a macaroon, even though Mama's trying to be my mama right now and tell me to eat dinner first. But I'm grown.
Well.
Okay, here's Mama's hair before. She grays quite a bit in her hairline. So we're just gonna make that easier when it grows out. She can just start going, we're hoping she can go gray. But right now this is just not cute. Right here in the spot. So we're just gonna add in some lighter pieces so it'll be easier transition for her. She's got a few grays up here, but I'm gonna be really light up here. I'm gonna do really, really light weaving. So it's not gonna be like real chunky. We're not here for the chunky. We want it to look natural. We are in the process. It's processing right now. I don't miss doing foils at all. At all. It's gonna be pretty, I think.
Rosie, what do you look for?
What do you think?
I sure hope so.
So Mama's in the shower, shampooing and conditioning her hair after her cooler, and I am just in here basking in the ambience of this new oil from Eden's Garden. If you've been watching my channel for a little while now, you know I love me some Eden's Garden. I've been using them for years and years, and I love them. I just got this one today. It's the Good Morning Synergy Blend, and it's so good. It's like, I know I should be using the Good Night one because it's late. As soon as I opened this one and smelled it, I just wanted to see what it was gonna do in the diffuser. I know it's got some orange, peppermint, and vanilla. It's got a bunch of other wonderful oils in this blend, but those are what I'm smelling like firsthand, and it's so good. And before I get any questions about this diffuser, this is a Eden's Garden diffuser as well. It is so pretty. I think this is gonna be my new kitchen diffuser because it matches so many of my like blue touches that I have in here. I'm gonna put it somewhere in here, I don't know yet, but it is pumping out this oil. Pumping it out, and it's beautiful. It's ceramic. It's really, really pretty. So, and you can do it with and without the light. So you can make it bright, you can dim it, or turn it off altogether. But I like the light. I will have a link down below if you're interested in Eden's Garden at all. I'll have a link down there so you can definitely check it out. And I'll also have some of my favorite oils of theirs listed down below too. So when you go on there to shop, you can look up those oils in particular. But I love Eden's Garden so much. I have tons and tons of their oils, so I can definitely suggest some. So while Mama's color was processing, I pulled out my Ambiance, the little foot thing. Y'all, I did not even try to do it before because I was too embarrassed of my feet. But my after is amazing. amazing. This thing is the bomb, and I barely used it hardly any. And then I'm going to try this changing magic foot peeling shoe thing tomorrow once Mama leaves, just so I can like chill out and sit back and just do all the things I need to do. Probably edit tomorrow and wear these at the same time. But so far, this right here was surprisingly amazing. Amazing. I give it 5 out of 5 stars. Yeah, like they got me. I was like, as soon as I started using it, I was like, they have a new customer. I love it. I got that at Ulta, but you can find it at a bunch of different places. But looking online, that was like the best price. It was $27.99. Amazon was a few cents cheaper than Ulta. So I will link the cheapest one that I can find down below if you're interested. They had a couple different colors, but of course your girl had to get pink. I am gonna show you Mama's hair once we finish it. My back is killing me. My feet hurt. I do not miss doing hair at all. At first I did. I was like smelling the lightener as I was like, which is weird. I was smelling the lightener as I was mixing it, getting that perfect consistency. And I'm like mixing it, I'm like, oh, it brings back memories. I got the music blasting. And then I'm like 10 folds in and I'm just like, I don't miss this. I don't miss it at all. So Mama's coming out. I'm gonna blow dry and style her hair and I'll show you what it looks like. Look at her. Can you look a little happy? Look at all this newness. It's coming off a different shade on the camera than it actually is in real life, but it looks really good. I love it. I love it. Give us a thumbs up if you love it too. It is so late. I don't even know what time it is.
It's actually
11:30. That clock's behind. It's 11:30. I'm tired. I'm shocked she's still awake. I'm shocked she didn't go to sleep in the chair. I love it. I can't wait for you to see it. She's never had highlights, just plain highlights. You've always had like random colors. Mama would do pink and...
I've had like...
You've never had...
I've had some, I just don't remember what.
Go look at it. I'm tired. Mama is... She's out. I'm gonna go get her a bandana so she can tie her hair down so she won't ruin it while she's sleeping. And we're gonna call it a night. My feet hurt. My body aches. I'm tired. So we're going to church in the morning. Lord willing. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Spending the day with me and Mama. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you like Mama's hair, give it a thumbs up. And leave me a comment down below what you would like to see in the future. Okay? Hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day, y'all. Bye.
The last word that I heard you say before you hung up the phone. Silence. Never thought that it would go this way with you wanting me gone. I don't believe